Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the rear wheel bearing on Ford Fiesta 6th generation. The symptoms for bad wheel bearing are rolling noise or just the wheel is loose. In my case there is no rolling noise, but we can see that the wheel is loose, so we need to replace the wheel bearing. First we start by removing the wheel. Next we need to remove the drum, but in order to remove the drum we need to remove those two bolts that hold the drum. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. And now we can pull out the drum, but in some cases it doesn't want to pull out. So here in this on this car there is a space where you can put in a bolt, which will push out the drum. We just need to tighten this bolt, and then we'll see how the drum will get released and it will come out. Yeah, we can see the drum is almost out. And that's the drum out. Now we have access to the wheel bearing. The wheel bearing is held by 4 bolts. We can see the 4 bolts in this hole of the wheel hub where they are located. So we need to put in an extension or the socket into this hole on the wheel hub in order to get to these bolts. We need to remove the bolts, and then the wheel bearing will come out. Okay, once those bolts are removed, now we can pull out the wheel bearing and it's out. Next, we're going to put on the new wheel bearing. We're gonna use the hole on the wheel hub again to put in the 4 bolts that hold the wheel bearing. Now we're going to tighten the bolts, then we're going to put on the drum and assemble everything back in the reverse order.